I'm sure you've heard the news. The British Army is getting a serious upgrade with the Challenger 3. Designed for the future of warfare, the Challenger 3 is an absolute beast. Born from the merger of BAE Systems and Rheinmetall, this tank is a powerhouse of modern technology. The biggest upgrade? Its new 120mm L55A1 smoothbore gun, ready to deliver unprecedented firepower. The Challenger 3 is more than just a formidable weapon. With an all-new digital turret, advanced thermal imaging, and state-of-the-art active protection systems, it's built to dominate the battlefield. Plus, upgrades to its mobility and electronic architecture ensure it can keep up with the fast-paced demands of modern combat. Set to enter service in 2025, with 148 units rolling out, the Challenger 3 is the future of British armoured might. Stay tuned, military enthusiasts. This is one tank you won't want to miss.